Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to manually add a new contact to our phone book in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To add new contact, we have to go to our phone book. Here you can see our list of contacts. To add another one, we have to click this little plus sign, cross sign, and now we can choose what we want to add. Name, you can middle name, prefix, suffix, etc. Then phone, of course. There are a few other options: email, groups, address, etc., etc. Save, and now our contact is added to our phone book. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.